Have you ever wondered how high-voltage transmission lines are installed? It all starts with survey teams mapping the safest and most stable path across mountains, rivers, and cities. Once the route is set, workers build massive steel towers, sometimes hundreds of feet tall, using cranes, helicopters, and climbing crews. Next comes the most dangerous part, stringing the power lines. Helicopters often pull a small guide rope from tower to tower. That rope is then replaced with thicker cables until it becomes the final high-voltage conductor. On the ground, engineers control tension machines that stretch the cables perfectly tight so they don't sag or snap. Workers wearing full safety gear climb the towers to secure every connection. After testing and grounding checks, electricity begins to flow, powering homes, factories, and entire cities. This is how the world's most powerful energy highways are built.